Hey guys, today we're diving into a comprehensive review of Boldin, formerly known as New Retirement. If you're searching for a powerful, user-friendly retirement planning tool, this might be the best solution for you. Let's explore what Boldin has to offer. Alright, so Boldin is an online financial planning platform designed to help individuals plan for retirement with confidence. Whether you're just starting or nearing retirement, Boldin provides tools to model your financial future and make informed decisions. So Boldin offers a range of features to assist in retirement planning. Personalized planning, you input your financial data to create a tailored retirement plan. Scenario analysts test different financial scenarios to see potential outcomes. Budgeting tools utilize detailed budgeting features to manage expenses. Social security optimization, explore strategies to maximize your benefits. And tax planning, understand the tax implications of your retirement decisions. These features are designed to provide a holistic view of your financial future. Alright, so delving deeper, Boldin's tools allow for comprehensive planning. So accounts and assets track various account types, including 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs. Income streams, model income from work, pensions, annuities, and more. Expenses, categorize and project expenses, including healthcare and long-term care. Real estate, analyze the impact of buying, selling, or downsizing properties. Taxes, estimate federal and state taxes, including capital gains and social security taxation. These tools provide a detailed picture of your financial landscape. Alright, so now let's talk about pricing. So Boldin offers free subscription tiers. They've got the free plan, so you can access basic planning tools and calculators. They've also got the Planner Plus, depending what location. It's going to be around $10 a month or $120 a year. So you can unlock advanced features like detailed budgeting, tax analysis, and scenario comparisons. And also the last one here is Boldin Advisors. So this is quite a hefty one with a $2,500 flat fee. So you can work with a certified financial planner for personalized advice and plan reviews. So each tier is designed to cater for different planning needs and budgets. So users have praised Boldin for its intuitive interface and comprehensive tools. The platform's visualization and scenario modeling makes for complex financial planning more accessible. Alright, so now let's talk about the pros and cons. So the pros is comprehensive planning tools, user-friendly interface, and affordable pricing tiers. And the cons may be overwhelming for beginners. Advanced features required a paid subscription. But overall, Boldin stands out as a robust tool for those serious about retirement planning.